Hi dear viewers, in this video I will show you how to send email, how to send a Gmail to anyone. I simply open Gmail in Google and open a website of Gmail. So Gmail is a email sending website. There are many websites that are here, and you can see that like Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, and any other platform where you can send a Gmail, and you can see that is email. Email means that is electronic mail system. I will simply open this platform Gmail, mail.google.com. I will simply, if I want to send an email to anyone, I will simply click on compose. When I will click on compose, there is a pop-up window shows new message. I will type here an email ID. That is like that will show that this is email ID m.umer97345. That is an email ID. Now I will write here a subject. What is subject? Subject is that I want to send a message to someone, and I will show a subject here. For example, I want to send sending a CV to a person. I will simply write subject CV, that I am sending a CV to some person. You can also write that this letter, this invitation letter, this is this, and anything. So for example, I will write only CV here. And second thing, what we will do, there are two things showing. When I click on two, there are two things showing. One is CC. CC mean it's a carbon copy, and the second thing is that is BCC. It means it's a blind carbon copy. So what is CC? So if I will write here something, if I am sending a letter, a code to someone. For example, I want I'm writing here, this is a code. I am sending this code to this person, and I will also show someone that I am doing this activity. Means I am sending this code to A, and I am also wants that I will aware a person B that I am sending this code to A. You can see that what I will do, I will click simply on CC and write her name. For example, I write here her email ID, and when I will send this code to this person, so it will also send it to Mr. Muhammad Umar, and a message will also show that this person also send a code to this person. You can also edit many persons. You can see that if you are seeing a letter, this letter that shows that, for example, yeah, this is a PM of your country, and and there are, you can see that there is carbon copies that were showing on rear page rear side, that this copy is also sent it to governor house, this copy is also sent it to chief secretary, this also is sent it to this person, all districts is like that. So that is simply thing what you can see that this is a carbon copy. And second thing is that is blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy means I am sending a email to two persons, but it will not show both of them that I am sending this to both. Means in carbon copy mode I am sending a message to A and B, and it will also show both persons A and B that this message is also send it to A and B. But in blind carbon copy, there I will sending a message to both persons, but it will not show them that I am sending this both. Okay, I will send this on. Now second thing, that I want to attach something, some image, some PDF file, something. I simply click on attach file here down side, and when I will click on it, there are many options. I will select a file. For example, I want to send this PDF file. I will simply click on it and open it, or simply double click on it. When I will double click on it, you can see that this will be uploaded in my email. And when this is uploaded in my email, I can add many other things. Many I can attach more links, I can attach more images, video files, anything. Okay, simply click on send. When I will send it, and it will send it to this person. Okay, where I can see that this is sent it or not, I simply click on send button. When I click on it, then you can see this is showing here that I sent it this item to this person. So I think you understand the lecture. I will meet you in next lecture. If there is any question, you can comment on comment